whichever car has the engine in, I definitely will at some point end up trying to own, because that's making the experience. And I just love the looks of the GT4 RS. It's so special, it's so unique. It's the absolute underdog, it's the black sheep. And I've missed that sound. Carbon airbox, one of the greatest sounds ever. As I said, when I first drove the press car from this, it reminded me of the E46 M3 CSL, which is a car that would totally be in my dream garage.